Broken nights, quiet work, loud comeback. You've seen it before. The world sleeps, the dreamers grind alone, and yet no one seems to notice. Not yet. He sat in the dark. The room was quiet, too quiet. Bills stacked like walls, dreams felt distant, like stars he could never reach. Every attempt ended the same: failure, disappointment, frustration. Friends whispered, "Maybe it's not for you." Family sighed, "Why don't you just give up?" Doubt crept in. Fear waited patiently in the corner. The mind became the battlefield. And his heart? It screamed for a way out. He tried, again and again. Every failure cut deep. Every mistake echoed through the empty room. At first he shared his struggles. He talked. He hoped. But words didn't help. Opinions didn't help. Only silence remained. One night he sat on the edge of his bed, head bowed, shoulders heavy. The world outside moved on. Friends laughed. Life went on. And here he was, alone, facing himself. He thought about giving up. The temptation was strong. Sleep felt better than fight. Comfort felt easier than pain. But something inside stirred. A whisper, a flicker. Not a voice of certainty. Not yet, but enough to make him pause. He looked at his work. The small victories hidden under failures. A page written, a sketch drawn, a skill learned. Tiny sparks in the darkness. And he realized, progress never shouts. It whispers. Quiet work. Invisible effort. The grind happens when no one watches. And that's where legends are made. He rose, slowly, silently. No one cheered. No one noticed. He didn't care. The world didn't need to see it. Every day he tried, quietly. Every night he worked, alone, hands bleeding, eyes tired, spirit tested. But he moved, step by step, bite by bite, inch by inch. Months passed. No one saw the pain. No one heard the struggle. Failures piled up. Doubt whispered louder than ever. And then, one day, something broke. Not him, not his hope. The wall in front of him cracked. He woke up early. Before the sun, he moved faster than yesterday, sharper, focused, relentless. The quiet work became a storm. The invisible grind became unstoppable momentum. Every skill sharpened, every failure studied, every mistake mastered. The world started to notice. Small praises turned into recognition. Strangers whispered his name. Friends blinked in disbelief. Even the doubters paused. But he didn't celebrate yet. The real victory wasn't the attention. It was the proof in his own eyes. He survived. He persevered. He grew. Listen, pain is temporary. Struggle is a test. Failure is feedback, not the end. The nights you spend awake, wondering if it's worth it. The days you push, when the world doubts you. They are your ladder, step by step, brick by brick. The grind is invisible for a reason. The comeback is inevitable if you stay. No one starts at the top. No one wakes up successful. Legends are born in the silence, in the quiet rooms, in the hidden moments when no one is watching. You will be tired. You will want to quit. And that's when the test is the hardest. But remember this: the louder the silence now, the louder the roar later. Every setback is a setup. Every failure plants the seed for success. Every doubt is fuel. Every tear is a lesson. And then it happens. The breakthrough. The moment the world feels your presence. Your quiet work shouts. Your persistence screams. Your comeback is no longer silent. Because the nights you endured, the pain you conquered, the work no one saw, they all explode into your victory. And the world hears it. Finally. Loud, clear, unstoppable. Broken nights, quiet work, loud comeback. This is your story. This is your time. Subscribe for more motivation.